Lately, life's been heavy, no? Parang araw-araw may pitpit kang hindi mo rin naiintindihan. Some days gusto mong bumawi, pero wala kang energy. Pero alam mo, okay lang yun. Kasi you don't always have to be your strongest self. Minsan, sapat na yung gumising ka, huminga ka, at sinabi mo sa sarili mo na kaya ko pa. Kasi progress is not always loud. Minsan, yung tahimik mong laban na yung tunay na tapang. So kung feeling mo walang nagbabago, alam mo mas magpatuloy ka. Keep moving kahit mabagal. Kasi healing doesn't always look like exciting. But it's happening slowly, quietly, faithfully. And one day you look back sa sarili mo, marirealize mo na kahit mabagal ka noon, you made it pa rin.